I'm Rusiru Kodikara in the UGC at Java Institute for Advanced Technology, and today I'm going to talk about question set 41 on my DBMS question set. So first, if I talk about the part 1 on, it's asking write the relational algebra query to change the stock table to inventory. So this mark is called as rename function. So here in relational algebra method, we can use this for our renaming process. So then we can give the new table name here, and in the uppercase we can give the all name of our table. If we can execute this, the table will rename as this. So now onwards on SQL they have no any query to do this. We have to use DDL queries if we want to do this. So on part 2 it's asking use the user type table used to store these user types. In the columns of that table, change the name of column called user type ID to type ID, and the name of the column called user type name to type name. Write the relational algebra required for it. So we can use the rename function again and give to the new two names, and the table name on uppercase. So this is the relational algebra for this one, that means the second question. And on third question it's asking the brand table is used to store product brands. You need to change the name of the table product brand. In the column of the table you need to change the name of the column brand ID to BID, and you need to change the name of the column brand name to be name. Write the relational algebra query required for that. So then we can use again rename function on relational algebra, and here first we can give the new name of the table as this, and here we can give the new names of the column as this, and all name of the table on uppercase. So this is the relational algebra query for question part 3 on question set 40. So then if I go to the last question or the fourth part on this question set 41, it's asking there is a table called GRN item to store the selling price of the product, the price at which the product was purchased, and the quantity of the product. You need to separate the columns product ID, quantity, unit price, and the selling price from that table. That means we have to use the projection. If you have watched my previous videos, we are using projection mark to make the attributes or separate the attributes, that means the columns. We can use the selection mark to separate our rows or the tuples. So then it's asking the name of the columns in the table should be changed in this way. The column called product ID needs to be PID, the quantity column as P quantity, then the unit price column as P unit, and the selling price column should be as P selling price. So it's asking to write the relational algebra query for that. So we can use here projection mark and tell the columns that we need, and we can select them. Then after that we can use the selection mark and give the new column names that we need to rename, and we can give the table name as this. This is the answer for part 4 on our question set. So I think I have talked all the parts on question set 41. So I'm going to stop from here, guys. I think you have understand what I have explained on question set 41. So I will meet you from question set 42 again. Still that, goodbye.